Hi fashion enthusiasts, welcome back to Newzee. Today we have got some exciting highlights from New York Fashion Week where Michael Kors unveiled his stunning Spring-Summer 2024 collection in Brooklyn. The event was star-studded with A-list celebrities gracing the occasion. So let's dive right in and see who walked the red carpet at Domino Park alongside the East River. First up, we have the incredibly talented actress Halle Berry and her long-term boyfriend Van Hunt. The power couple turned heads as they posed for pictures, showing off their impeccable style and undeniable chemistry. Next on our list is the talented actress and director Olivia Wilde. She graced the red carpet with her effortless elegance, striking poses that showcased her impeccable fashion sense. A New York Fashion Week regular, Blake Lively, made a grand entrance, capturing the spotlight with her captivating presence. The actress looked absolutely stunning as she posed for pictures, leaving everyone in awe. The hilarious and fabulous Tiffany Haddish also made an appearance, radiating confidence and charisma as she struck poses on the red carpet. Actress Kathleen Dever was another notable guest. The multi-talented singer Rita Ora brought her A-game to the event, dazzling everyone with her charismatic presence and striking fashion choices. Melinda Gates and her daughter Phoebe Gates showcased their fashion-forward looks as they posed for pictures, proving that style runs in the family. Actress Ellen Pompeo and her husband Chris Ivory graced the event with their presence, radiating love and style on the red carpet. Grey's Anatomy star Jesse Williams looked sophisticated as he posed for pictures. Country sensation Kelsey Ballerini brought a touch of country charm to the red carpet. Influencer and wife of Matthew McConaughey, Camila Elves, looked absolutely stunning as she posed for pictures showcasing her impeccable fashion sense. Actress Lisa Rinna exuded confidence and style as she struck poses on the red carpet, proving that she is a fashion force to be reckoned with. Music legend Babyface was also in attendance, capturing the spotlight with his charismatic presence and timeless style. Singer Anita brought her unique flair to the event, looking fabulous. Actress and dancer Gina Devan showcased her elegance and grace as she posed for pictures, wowing the crowd with her fashionable choices. Actress Jane Krakowski brought her A-game to the red carpet. Personality Nicky Hilton made a fashionable statement as she posed for pictures, proving that she knows how to run heads at an event. High School Musical star Vanessa Hudgens looked absolutely radiant as she posed for pictures, showcasing her trendy fashion sense. Oscar winner Ariana Debose graced the event with her presence, radiating elegance and style. Renowned model Coco Rocha made a stunning entrance, captivating everyone with her iconic runway presence. Model Eliza Hosk showcased her striking beauty and impeccable style. And finally, the event took place against the backdrop of the picturesque Domino Park, providing the perfect setting for this star-studded affair.
This collection is an homage to how we feel when we go on holiday. I don't know that anyone, when the weather is lousy, we don't dream of more bad weather. When we're sitting in the office, we don't go, woohoo! We dream of escape and the feeling of romance, glamour, ease, fun. I can't take the audience to Capri or Saint-Tropez. But I can create a little bit of a holiday spirit here in New York City, and that's why we're here. And, my mom was born in Brooklyn. My grandparents were born in Brooklyn. So it's always kind of coming home for me. Playing around with a lot of colors that really are based on makeup, based on foundation. So beautiful cocoa brown, ebony, suntan, buff. I love the idea also of sort of just dipping someone head to toe, I think is wonderful.
What an incredible lineup of celebrities at Michael Kors Spring Summer 2024 collection showcase. New York Fashion Week is definitely off to a glamorous start, and we can't wait to see more jaw-dropping fashion moments in the day to come. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for all the latest updates from the world of fashion. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.